Right here, I have the carry-on luggage that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I have this 20-inch carry-on TSA approved suitcase, and this has a polycarbonate shell that's gonna be a very rough exterior to handle pretty much anything you're gonna throw at it. Now, there's a couple features on here that I absolutely love and wanna show you about it, so stick around. So first off, we are gonna have the TSA approved lock on the top, which you can adjust your own code, which is very important. And we also have these very sleek zippers. I love how these curve over the top and form perfectly. And then we also get locking zippers on the main part as well. So all you have to do is flip that and then flip it the other way, and you're gonna be able to open up both of these. Now, one thing that sets this luggage apart from others is gonna be whenever you open this up, this is gonna drop down. Now inside, we're gonna be able to fit up to a 15-inch laptop, 15 by 11, and we're gonna have this industrial grade Velcro on here that is unlike anything I've ever seen. It's almost like a plastic, very durable, and it just sticks better than most Velcro I've ever seen before. So we have two padded sections here. You can fit a tablet or the laptop, close that off, and then we get another section on the bottom. You're gonna have a little bit of see-through mesh right here, and this is gonna be a very nice, like silky material going all the way through. You can definitely tell they used a very high quality on here, and this is a nice fabric that I would want my electronics touching, my clothes touching, all my essentials, because it's gonna keep it safe, not scratch it. Now, this is what sets this apart. Most luggages that do have a port in the front to carry a laptop or your quick access stuff doesn't go all the way down. We have Velcro on the side here. And now it's gonna drop down to 180 degrees. So if you do have this set down like this, it goes completely flat, and I absolutely love that. Now with these zippers being a little bit of a curve, it just makes it ergonomic to your hand and fits very nicely. Now let's talk about these wheels. We have 360-degree rotation, very, very quiet wheels, and they are so smooth. Let me tell you guys, when you're gonna be riding through the airport, you are not gonna hear anything. It's gonna be smooth, it's gonna glide like butter. If you're using this to travel on a sidewalk or a road and you're gonna be wheeling this around, you're gonna be very quiet and nice sized wheels to roll over just about anything. On the exterior of this, we're gonna have a nice black, and it almost has like a shine or like a little bit of a glitter to it. It's not too much, and I'd be totally comfortable with this as a man. I think that it's just like a nice little sparkle. It just gives it a little bit of flair, a little bit, but looks absolutely amazing. We get a nice carrying handle on the top here, and then featured by a nice handle on the side as well, which is gonna make it very nice if you wanna stow this away on the overhead luggage, gonna be perfect for you. Now, this is also gonna have a adjustable handle that has so many different adjustments on it, and it's gonna have very slight wiggle on here. So most of these are gonna have like a 15mm gap. This has a 12, and that is gonna make it very sturdy, so you're gonna have less movement. It's gonna take less effort to actually move this around and carry it, because if this is wiggling and you have one that does have more gap play, it's gonna take more energy to actually carry this around. This is gonna be very responsive with that 12mm gap, and you're gonna be able to make this do exactly what you want. Now let's open this up and let's see what's inside. Okay, let's open this up, and inside we're gonna feature this very nice fabric yet again, and we're gonna have a strap that is gonna be easily accessible. You can tighten this down, put your clothes in here, keep them nice and snug. Now on this side, you're gonna have the toiletry setup. So this is gonna have a waterproofing material right here that is like a frost color. So you're gonna be able to see your stuff, keep everything nice. If you do have a small leak in the bag, everything's gonna be able to be cleaned very easily. We have a mesh up here, really nice to throw stuff in. And we also have a hidden pocket. We're gonna be able to open that up, and we have hidden storage underneath here, which I do love. And the inside, it's gonna be followed by that fabric that we see all the way throughout, which is gonna make this the absolute perfect choice when you are choosing a carry-on luggage. I absolutely love this luggage. I highly recommend it. There's so many features that's amazing. And if you wanna even open this up, you got a little bit of an extension right there, guys, and that's gonna give you 10% more room very easily and quickly. This only weighs 9 pounds, and it does go all the way to the end of this compartment here, so it's gonna utilize the whole luggage as well. So it's gonna give you more room. You're gonna have less total weight on the luggage, so you're gonna be able to put more stuff in here. This is a no-brainer. I absolutely love this. Add this to your cart today. Luggex. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.